cause I'm Robert Taylor every day, cause I make that money, cause I'm at Social Field, make that money every day, cause I make that money every day, cause I make that money every day, cause I'm Robert Taylor Angelo, cause I'm Robert Taylor Angelo, cause I used to have that red dress, cause I used to 2018 every day, cause I'm Robert Taylor Angelo, cause I'm Robert Taylor Angelo, cause I'm Robert Angelo T, cause I'm Angelo T, cause I'm Robert. I love D-Rose, cause I love D-Rose, cause that's my favorite player, cause I'm Chicago Lee, cause I'm my cousin. I'm at Shelter Field at Jewels every day, cause I make that money all day. I work my ass off, cause I always work my ass off, cause I always work my ass off every day, cause I work my ass off, cause I'm at Shelter Field and Jewels every day, cause I always get that pussy, cause it's strawberry, cause that titty strawberry, cause that titty strawberry, cause that ass is strawberry, cause that strawberry homecoming too. Oh damn.
Together, we're gonna make history. This Friday. You know who's ever done it? Christian.
I just messed it.
And sword.
Robert Taylor, 1, 2, 3, 5.
You got it. You should fly. Versus Ferrari, ABT13 Friday.
Robert Taylor. Robert Taylor enter gold T, cause I'm always worth that money every day, cause I'm always making my money every day, cause I'm Robert Taylor enter gold T, cause I always make that money every day at Soldier Field every day, cause I make that money every day, cause I work at Soldier Field every day, cause I make that money every day, cause I'm at Soldier Field, make that money every day, cause I always make that money at Social Field every day, cause I'm always make that money all day, cause I always make that money every day, cause I got that gold hair, cause I got that gold hair, cause I got that gold hair every day, cause I always make that money every day, cause I always make that money every day, cause I at Social Field, cause I'm at Social Field every day, cause I always make that money every day. It's strawberry. It's strawberry every day, cause I'm at Strawberry. I'm in that Strawberry every day, cause I work at Sophie Field, Jules, and Michael Jordan program every day, cause I always make that money every day. I used to have red dress every day, cause it's 2018, cause I used to have red dress, cause I miss my fucking hair every day, cause I miss my fucking hair every day, cause I miss my fucking hair every day, cause I always miss my hair every day, cause I always make that money every day, cause I always make that money every day, cause I always make that money every day, cause I always make that money, cause I always make that money. I always work at Social Field every day and Jules every Michael Jordan program every day, cause I always work at a good job. Cause I'm always 20 years old, cause I always work at a job every day, cause I always work at a job every day, cause I always work it 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 every day, cause it's strawberry, pizza, nachos. I'm eating that nachos every day, cause I eat that Taco Bell, eat that Taco Bell, cause I eat that nachos, eat that pizza, eat that icy, nachos, eat that icy, eat that ice cream, Batman, cause I always drink that pop off that water and lotion every day. Cause I always drink that pop, eat that pussy every start baby cheese every day. Robert Ancelotti dirty. Robert Taylor Ancelotti, cause I always make that money every day. Cause I always make that money every day. Cause I'm Robert Taylor, cause I always make my money every day. Cause I'm at Social Field every day. Cause I always working at Social Field and do Social Field and Jordan's every day. Cause I work at the Jordan program every day. Cause I say